Ever noticed the rich never rely on just one source of income, and they understand the power of building strong relationships? Did you know the wealthy save over 20% of their income, while lower income groups save less than 5%? In 2024, the top 1% controls almost half of the world's wealth, while the bottom 50% holds a mere 2%. That's right, just 2%. The disparity is staggering. What are they doing differently? Welcome to Wealthwhise. After deep research into rich habits and reading best-selling personal finance authors, we have identified 6 habits common to a wealthy mindset. Stay tuned as we reveal insights and discuss how you can adopt these habits to transform your financial future. First, the most important and top of the list, the rich don't rely on just one source of income, they diversify. Studies show that 80% of millionaires have at least 3 streams of income, including investments, businesses, and other passive sources. On the other hand, most people in lower income brackets depend on a single paycheck. Diversifying your income is a game changer for financial stability. Here's how you can make it happen. Find a gig that aligns with your skills and interests. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or selling handmade crafts, a side hustle can be a great additional source of income. Put your money to work by investing in stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. These investments can generate passive income, so your money earns while you sleep. Do what you love and get paid for it. Whether it's photography, writing, or teaching, turning your passion into an income source not only boosts your earnings, but also brings personal fulfillment. Number 2. Networking is crucial. A staggering 85% of job opportunities are filled through networking. The rich understand the power of building strong relationships. While accessing influential networks can be difficult, leveraging online communities and local events can help build valuable connections. Habit 3. Spending and saving habits play a significant role. The wealthy save over 20% of their income, while lower income groups save less than 5%. Prioritizing saving and investing over unnecessary spending is crucial. Disciplined spending and smart saving can transform financial health, no matter your starting point. Habit 4. The rich often have a growth mindset and are not afraid to take risks. Did you know that 70% of self-made millionaires failed at least 3 times before succeeding? In contrast, many avoid risks due to fear of failure. Embracing a growth mindset and learning from failures can pave the way to success. Habit 5. Education is a powerful tool for financial growth. The average millionaire reads at least 1 book per month on personal development or finance. Continuous learning and skill development are vital. While many people have limited access to quality education, affordable online courses and resources are now within reach. Number 6. Health is wealth. The wealthiest 20% live, on average, 12 years longer than the poorest 20%. They can afford better healthcare, healthier lifestyles, and preventive measures. Prioritizing health and wellness, even with limited means, can make a big difference in quality of life. These differences may seem overwhelming, but remember, change starts with small steps. By adopting these strategies, diversifying your income, investing in education, prioritizing health, embracing a growth mindset, building strong networks, and cultivating disciplined spending, you can transform your financial future. Join us at Wealthwise and take the first step towards a brighter, wealthier future. Remember, it's never too late to start. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top-notch financial education. Together, let's build a wealthier world.